Okay, this video is about how to change batteries and how not to forget one important thing after the battery replacement. This is Danfoss TP5001 room thermostat, older generation. As you see, mine batteries are already dead. Thermostat is not functioning at all. Usually thermostat warns you 15 days before batteries dies, and you have 15 days to replace them. I'm using just simple alkaline batteries, the regular ones, and yeah, mine thermostat is working. And there is one more thing you need to do. You need to push this small reset button for thermostat to reset. After this reset, don't be afraid, all your information like daytime programming and override settings will be maintained for the life of the product, so it will not change. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.